Hey guys, I'm Deepthi Desikan, and in this video we're going to be talking about best deals I have scored on makeup so far. So these are products that I have found on really good deals on various websites, and I thought I will notify you of it in case you were looking at purchasing these products, and you can wait for this kind of a deal in the future as well. And so if I can save money, I think even you should. And also, even if I have seen a certain product for a very good discount deal, and even though I haven't picked it up at that price, I'm still gonna let you guys know so that you will be aware and you can pick it up at that price. And I have done one such video, I think about 2 to 3 years ago. So that was something I was trying to come up with something a little bit different. So that was a video I did about, like I mentioned, 2 to 3 years ago. And I thought right now I have bought a lot of other products on really good discount. I've seen a lot of good discounts, and so I want you guys to try it at that price. Let's get started. Firstly, okay, a lot of Anastasia products come on really good discount on Myntra and Bodis.com. So I have seen the Anastasia Soft Glam palette and the Modern Renaissance palette for as low as flat 50% off. So the MRP of this is 4,500. So this comes to as low as 2,100 something rupees on Bodis. So the Soft Glam palette, which mine is completely shattered. I absolutely love this palette. The pigmentation is amazing. Like if you want your eyeshadows to be soft, blended, and the shimmer shades to pop, you can try this out. And even the Modern Renaissance palette has come down to like flat 50% off on Bodis so many times. Right now I can see on Myntra you can get it for around 2,700 or 2,900, which is still a good price, but not as good as flat 50% off. So if you can pick it up at flat 50 whenever the sale comes back, you can, or you can just pick it up from Myntra. I have purchased a lot of makeup products from Myntra as well. The only problem is that they don't come packaged very secure, but the product is of course authentic, and it's not like you have to doubt the authenticity of those products. The same thing goes with the Anastasia concealer as well. This you can get it at a flat 30% off only on Myntra, I have seen. On Bodis it was like flat 20% off. So I found Myntra to be a much better deal for these Anastasia liquid concealer. I have this one in the shade 10, which is a highlighting shade for myself. It's not a perfect match, but it's something that is a little bit neutral and a highlighting shade. And same thing goes with this setting spray which I got. This is the Anastasia Dewy set. This is priced at around 1,650, but I got this for 990 rupees on Myntra. So right now they do have the sale going on, as I can see. So you can pick it up at that. And most of the times they also have additional discount if you use a coupon code. So make sure to check out all of that when you're like purchasing a product. Look for the coupon codes under that certain product. And they also have another size of this, but I thought that, you know, because it's a setting spray, I just wanted to try it out, and I already have a lot of it, so I wouldn't probably like empty this anytime soon. And speaking of Anastasia, this product, this is the Anastasia Cream Bronzer. This was available for flat 50% off on Bodis website. So I got it for 1,750, and it is such a good product, and you wouldn't like expect it to be so good. It is such an underrated product. I haven't heard a lot of people talk about it. This is a cream bronzer. I have this one in the shade Golden Tan, which is a pretty good match for my skin tone, but if you are anywhere deeper than my skin tone, it wouldn't show up on you. These are not like super pigmented, not like your Huda Beauty Tantour, where it is a little bit thick and a little bit more pigmented. This is not like that. It is very mildly pigmented, very easily blendable kind of a product, something you can use over your foundation. Most of the times the Huda Beauty Tantour, I go ahead with it before my foundation and then use my foundation, because I find it to be a little bit stark and a little bit hard to blend as well. Like the consistency of that is a little bit thick. This one is not like that. If you want a light wash of bronzer on your skin, you can try this out. It's like the most seamless, natural looking cream bronzer. It just blends in effortlessly. They have a couple of different shades in this as well. And another product, I have a lot of Anastasia products to talk about, so just bear with me. And then another one that I've seen on really good discount on Bodis is this lip kit. This is the Anastasia mini lip liner and lipstick set. This one is in the variant Toffee. So you get Toffee and Malt. Malt is the lip liner and Toffee is the lipstick shade. So when I did that recent video about my the most unique makeup products in my collection, I got a lot of questions as to what was my lipstick shade, and it's actually this one. This is how the bullet looks like, and this one and the lip liner was for flat 50% off. So that's a great steal. And sometimes it comes back in stock even on Myntra. So this is the lip stick. It's a very nice cool toned brown shade, beautiful on the lips, and the lip liner again is very like complementary to that. And it's not the most creamy lip liner that I've tried out, but I can manage it. It's like a cool toned brown shade, and when you blend both of this together, it's like amazing. Gives you like fuller looking lips as well. So actually I could have used that today. It's a nice cool tone shade to go with this look. But what I have on my lips right now is Swiss Beauty Spice Nude, this one. And some other products that goes on like flat 50% off, sometimes flat 40, even on Myntra and Bodis, is the Anastasia Contour Kit. If you are a makeup artist or if you're someone who finds a lot of use out of contour kits, you can try this out. I personally don't find a lot of use out of all the shades, but they are really nice and seamless. They're nice and blendable. This is a nice banana powder to use underneath the eyes. The bronzer shades are nice. But again, if you don't find use out of it, it wouldn't be like... There is no point picking it up. But if you are a professional makeup artist and you wanted to invest in a good contour kit for your makeup kit, you can try it out. And same thing goes with the Anastasia Glow Kit. These are intense highlighters, and this again goes on flat 50% off. I don't find use out of most of these shades because they're a little bit like darker. These are the only two shades that I can use. They are a little bit like shimmery looking on the skin, not the most natural powder highlighters, but I have seen a lot of people really enjoy this, use this. And the same thing goes with the other kit as well, the other variant that they have. So yeah, and likewise the Anastasia Luminous Foundation, most of the times is on flat 50% off, especially some shades. Like I'm not sure which shade would match whom, and if you can pick up your right shade, sometimes you can find it on flat 50% off. And this is a really good foundation if you want like a soft filtered effect on your skin, something that is a little bit luminous, also a little bit moussey matte. It's not too much. I really like this foundation. And then let's talk about some Huda Beauty products. So the primer, as you guys know, most of the times on Nykaa's discount comes on like flat 40% off or flat 50% off, and this is a 30 ml primer. The full price of this, I'm not quite sure, but I have picked it up for 1,650. I think the full price of this, I think it's around 3,200-ish. And I picked it up for around 1,600 rupees, and that is a great price point for a 30 ml primer. This is a really nice hydrating primer. I like it. I've used it underneath most of my makeup products, and I do find a lot of use out of it. I know some people don't like it at all. They don't find any result of using this primer. I feel like it makes my makeup look a little bit nice, and also the makeup adheres onto it pretty well. It has a tad bit, like a slight tacky finish, but not like your Mars Glow Clock Primer. It's not that tacky, but it has a nice plumping, glowy effect on your skin. And then another eyeshadow palette. I know a lot of people really like this, but I think you have to wait for the right discount, because right now, most of the sales, I've seen that this product goes only for flat 20% off, and it's not worth it, because when I picked it up for a flat 50 or flat 40% off. This one is the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde eyeshadow palette. It's one of my best purchases from Huda Beauty so far. I absolutely love the color scheme of this palette, and it is something that I use quite often, and I always almost have it on my desk at all times because of that. So you can wait for similar kind of sales if you wanted to pick up any of these products, especially when you know that someone has saved a lot of money buying a certain product. You don't want to spend like a little more, right? You want to be on that same thing. So at least I think like that. Like if I know that's okay, this product has come for flat 40 or flat 50 and I picked it up for flat 20, I feel bad. I genuinely feel bad, because all of us work hard for our money and we want to save it. Next up, we have the Huda Beauty Stick Foundation, almost always on flat 50% off. If not, then you're picking it up at the wrong sale. So this comes for around 1,600 something. It's a really nice full coverage stick foundation, photographs beautifully. You just have to figure out what is your right shade match, especially with Huda Beauty products, because they are quite pigmented. If you get the wrong shade or the wrong undertone, they have that contrasting effect, and so it's very prominent, and there would be a demarcation on your face, your neck, the rest of your body. So yeah. Same thing goes with Huda Beauty Glowish. I picked it up on flat 50. Also the bronzers and all of that, always on really good discount. Also when it comes to Huda Beauty lipsticks, not the liquid lipsticks, the bullet lipsticks. These bullet lipsticks go on buy one get one, and that's how I picked up most of these shades, because I was looking at trying these out and I found that was the right deal to pick it up. Each of these retail for 1,990 rupees, and you can always wait for that buy one get one. I have a couple of shades in this one. And the formulation of this is quite soft on the lips. It's not the most pigmented lipstick formulation, but it's also nice on the lips. It's not something that dries your lips out. It's not something that makes you regret your decision of applying lipsticks such as these, especially when you're going out. And then coming to Benefit. These products on the Sephora India website almost always is on like flat 50% off. The Hoola Caramel Bronzer, I'm pretty sure I picked it up on flat 50 or flat 30% off, and it was a pretty good deal, and that's the reason I picked it up. I really like this bronzer because I feel like it works really well for my skin tone. It's something I reach out for quite often as well. It's what I have on my face right now. You can't tell. I feel like otherwise it's a little bit too stark for me, and I spend a lot of time blending it, and then I get tired, and then I get like grumpy. So yeah. And then these Hoola, like the mini bronzers, then the mini blush, again for flat 50% off. So this was for around 800 rupees. The MRP of this was for 1,600 something originally. I'm not sure if they've increased the price of it, but I could get it for 850 something. In case you're buying it for flat 20% off, it's not worth it. You can always wait for flat 50, and these sales occur quite often, I've seen, especially on the Sephora India website. And then same thing goes with nude sticks. When they first launched these nude sticks, you know, their lip crayons, their blushes and everything was for flat 40% off. And right now, I think because a lot of people are getting to know about the brand and there's a lot of purchase happening, there's only like flat 20% off most of the times, and then very rarely I see the flat 40, but you can wait for the flat 40 to pick that up. And then Too Faced. Okay, yeah, this was the thing with the deal with Too Faced. When they first launched on Nykaa and during their hot pink sale and everything, Too Faced used to go on buy one get one. So you could choose the products you wanted to buy and add to your cart. So you buy one, you get one. And then it became buy two get one, and off late it's like you buy whatever you want, but they give you a free product. That's not the kind of sale you want to purchase any of these Too Faced products at, because they do come on buy one get one or buy two get one, and sometimes on flat 20 or flat 40% off as well. So when they have that payday sale and they have a couple of other sales, or anniversary sales, they have like a flat discount on Too Faced, and I have seen a flat 40% off on Too Faced. And some of you asked me, have Too Faced products ever gone on a flat discount? It has, and I have like missed picking up some of the products and then regretted it later as well. I have regretted not picking up some of these palettes when they went on flat 40% off, but then I was like, okay, see, I don't have a very great experience with Too Faced eyeshadow palettes. I feel like they are not worth that hefty price tag, so I just let it go. But the liquid lipsticks are worth it. I absolutely love it. And then Smashbox, again, most of the times their lipsticks go on buy one get one. Like the bullet lipsticks, I've got these are the cream to matte lipsticks, and their liquid lipsticks go on buy one get one. The ideal time to try it out. And sometimes, again, even Smashbox has like flat discounts, flat 20% off, sometimes flat 40% off. And on Myntra, most of the times, all of the Smashbox products are on really good discount. And sometimes it's like, you know, the MRP is 2,500, you apply a coupon, you get it for around 2,100, like that. Sometimes it goes for a much lower price, and I think that is the time you can pick it up. When you use a coupon for these liquid lipsticks, you get it for around 1,700-ish. So yeah, always check Myntra as well. For MAC products, Smashbox, Anastasia, I always look at Myntra. And also Jeffree Star. So Jeffree Star liquid lipsticks, especially this one in Unicorn Blood, I got it for 800 rupees because there was a really good discount on Myntra, like a flat 50, I guess. And I also had some Myntra super coins, like reward points. So I used that and got additional discount. And this is a beautiful shade. Now, I'm not a very big fan of this brand as such. It's not something I want to like recommend. It's not something I want to promote. But I am someone who collects makeup. I want to dupe these shades in case like you are someone who doesn't look at trying this brand out and you wanted a shade dupe for some of these. You can like I can do that for you. So yeah. This is the shade Unicorn Blood. It is a little bit unique, okay? It just looks like a deep red shade, but there is a little bit of unique factor to it. It has a little bit of like terracotta undertones to it as well. And so I'm still looking at finding a dupe for this one. And on Myntra, when you buy any Jeffree Star product, sometimes they give away this eyeshadow palette. So this eyeshadow palette alone is worth This eyeshadow palette alone is worth like around 2,500 or something, but they were giving this away for free. So when I purchased one of these liquid lipsticks, I got it for free. And yeah, the expiry is like this year. So that is something I think most brands do. They just like have a clearance sale and get rid of products that are nearing expiry date. So I'm not able to bring this out, but this is a palette I got when I purchased that. Now, Bobbi Brown is like a very pricey brand that I always refrain from purchasing because I feel guilty when I spend that much on it, and sometimes I'm not even impressed with the products, especially their lip products. But their foundations were something I was looking at for the longest time, and very rarely they have buy one get one on their mini products. So they're like if you buy any of their mini products, you can like add two of those and get the lowest price for free, or sometimes if you add same product you get one for free. So that's how I picked up, I think, the foundation. I'm not sure if I picked it up at that discount. I'm trying to look at my purchase history, but I remember seeing these on buy one get one, the minis. So this foundation is like one of my favorite foundations. I do not regret buying this at all, and I'm glad I picked up like the travel size. I don't think I would ever empty this anytime soon, because with the number of foundations I have, it's a good way for me to try it out and test it out. And because I have two shades, honey and warm honey, it's identical to the shade honey. I'll just like empty this and probably just use that. And this is something I have been using quite a bit. I'm almost here. That's how much I love this product. It's just like the most skin-like finish. It's not too matte, not too radiant, but doesn't emphasize anything beautiful. And then Rimmel products go on flat 50, flat 60% off sometimes. And their foundations usually like are on flat 50 or flat 60% off. Both of these are really good foundations. This one has a little bit more pigment, a little bit more thicker in consistency, and gives you a slightly more coverage compared to this, but both of these are really good foundations. I have this one in the shade 410 Latte and this one in 402 Bronze. The undertone of the Rimmel foundations could be a little bit off, just keep that in mind. Sometimes it's a little bit too golden, sometimes it's a little bit too pink, so you have to check it out for yourself. And these liquid lipsticks on Amazon go for as low as 50% off or sometimes 60% off, so you could find these for 240 rupees. They're liquid lipsticks, especially the shade Love Bite and Troublemaker, which are like really popular. You can try it out from Amazon whenever they are on discount. I have also notified that most of the times. I don't know how to notify these discounts because I'm not sure where I can do it. It happens so often. It happens so quick sometimes. It's like late at night, early in the morning, so, and then it's gone. So I don't know. And then the last product I'm going to be talking about is this Revlon lipstick. Now, this I got from Ajio, okay? They had a good discount already. And then I had apparently accumulated some points, some other discount and all of that. And I got this for as low as 45 rupees. Can you believe that? Like this lipstick for 45, this range of Revlon lipsticks are again becoming really popular. Most of the shades are being sold out. The shade Rum Raisin was sold out everywhere. That's when I got it on Ajio, and it's a beautiful shade, something I can wear on a daily basis. So yeah, like Ajio is also a nice place to shop, especially if you're someone who shops their clothes most often. I think you would have some points accumulated. You just have to check the app for that, and they also have some coupon code most of the times. So yeah, that's pretty much everything I wanted to talk to you guys about. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. I feel like some people miss out on really good discounts, and most of you might, buy it at the wrong price or just for a free sample or something like that, when you can actually save a lot of money. And that's my intention behind this video, to help you save a little bit more. And like, if you are aware of the discounts I purchased it at as well. Now, I want you guys to let me know in the comments if you have picked up some product on really good discount and you're like, you need to check it out at this price and do not buy it at any other price. Let me know the product, the app where you picked it up from, whichever website. Let us know in the comments down below. I think it's very interesting and it would help a lot of people as well to save money. So yeah, that's pretty much everything I wanted to talk to you guys about. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next one.